Hi everyone, today I have the Clinique Chubby Stick Sculpting Highlight, and this is in the shade Hefty Highlight, and this has become a new favorite in my makeup routine. I have lighter skin with cooler undertones, and so I'm pretty picky about the highlighters that I wear, and this just looks super natural on my skin. I had tried Clinique Chubby Sticks before, but for like the lipstick chubby sticks. But whenever I saw the highlighter chubby sticks, I really wanted to give them a try because this format is just so easy to throw in your purse or take it with you on the go. So I will show you all what it looks like. So it's such a pretty pink. And I'll swatch it on the back of my hand so you can just see how natural that looks. So what I will normally do is you can either take the stick itself and you can twist the bottom to make it go to the top, but you can either just use this directly on your skin, or what I will do, just so I can control the amount just a little bit better, I will put some on the back of my finger and then I will tap it onto my cheekbones or wherever I want to put the highlighter on. But I love the formula. It really is just creamy, but it never feels greasy on my skin, and it gives just the right amount of glow.